Okay, so look, I'm all ready to go. I got all my bags and my drink and, last minute things to do. But I wanted to show you how cute my little area is with my chair. And this is the picnic table cloth that we were telling you about in our previous video on why it's important to use a tablecloth protector. But you can find that one on Amazon. And another little thing that I do is I have curtains that hang in our doorway here, so it kind of blocks out the light and the heat and the bugs. So I want to make sure that that's closed before I leave. I can't hear you.
Don't spend no money.
It still can't hear you.
Don't spend no money. You got to point it in the right direction.
I'm pointing in the right direction.
Don't spend no money.
You act like I don't know what I'm doing.
I know you know you're spending money.
I love you.
Okay.
So what are we doing now? We're on our way to visit a local artisan who is right down the street from our home base, and he makes these barn quilts, which are pretty amazing. So we're gonna go purchase one for ourselves. One of the things that I like to do while we're home or anywhere is to check out the locals. So right down the road from our home base is this wonderful man right here. His name is Trent. Trent paints these amazing barn quilts that I was telling you about earlier. So I'm gonna ask Trent about his process and show you around some of his work, and I'll give you some information in case you want to get in contact with him. Can you tell me a little bit about how you got started making barn quilts?
Well, I started about 6 years ago. I took my father where he's from, up in Massillon, Ohio, which is Amish country. So there's a lot of Amish barns up there that have the barn quilts on them. And usually what those represent for the Amish are like their a grandmother that passed, or the great-grandmother that has passed. They always had their favorite quilts. Well, the Amish, ladies would paint, when she would pass, they'd paint that quilt, put it on the barn, kind of as a memory of the grandmothers and stuff. So, but anyway, I loved that part of it. But I came back down here, and Mrs. Boss in here told me that I needed to paint that barn up there, that it was getting all rusty and paint peeling, and I was sitting there thinking that's going to be a pain. I said, let me try the barn quilt. I never made one. It makes everything look good. So my very first barn quilt, which I'm sure you'll show later, was that big 4x4 out there on the barn. Put it up there and everything's great. Then I got kind of hooked on barn quilts and started painting the smaller ones. And then I started hanging those on the barn, and then people start coming by, see if they wanted to buy one. Oh, okay. So then I started just going and going. I hadn't stopped since for the past 5 or 6 years now. So
as many of you know, that my grandmother passed away this past October. So she was a big quilter and did that sort of thing. So this really is going to mean a lot to us. But thank you so much, Trent.
No problem.
So can you tell me how old is the oldest barn quilt that you have?
Probably that barn, the one on the barn, I would say that one's 5 or 6 years.
The sunflower?
Yes.
Okay.
Sunflower.
It's still beautiful, and you haven't touched it up at all?
No, and the one that you purchased, on the back, I always date them and sign them, and I noticed it was done last June.
Oh, wow.
So it's in pretty good shape.
That's good. I love it. So I'm going to take you on a little trip around his yard. He is just so beautiful. And these are some of his quilts that you can choose from. If you see one that you like, please reach out to this man. Okay guys, so that was Trent, and if you're interested in purchasing any of his artwork, I will put his information up in this video and in our link in our bio on our website. So make sure that you check him out. He has a wonderful story to tell, and I really highly recommend that you check out your local artisans. I love being so close to home because I get to pop in and see my parents anytime I want to, and sometimes it's a surprise, sometimes it's not. But let's go see what they're doing. We'll probably be going to Costco. That's my guess.
And why are you taking pictures?
Because we're having a day with me today. Because,
okay.
So I'm recording a day in my life.
A day in
And what I do when I'm not campering. Okay, so you know how we're always talking about how we need something for the chicken house, right?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I got you a barn quilt.
What?
A barn quilt.
Okay.
Barn quilt. You can hang that up on the wall.
Yeah, we'll figure out what to put.
Okay, Mom. I hope you like it.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. I love you.
I love you.
Okay, so every time we're in Costco, my dad is always like, hey, do you need this for a camper? Do you need this? So last time we were here, he tried to talk me into buying a fan, and I was like, no, we don't really need that. But today, guess what I'm buying? Is a fan, because it turns out that we do. So this is a great fan for your camper at Costco. If you're interested, check it out. Okay, so after a whirlwind trip to Costco and some shopping with my mom, and we won't tell Thomas how much money we spent. But anyway, we are on to our next stop. Excuse me, sir. Can I get a tattoo today, please?
No.
Are you in the mood? Are you in the mood for a tattoo today?
Always. Yeah, what's up?
Yeah.
I love this thing. What is this for?
This is my GoPro.
Here.
Oh, hi.
Hi!
You may have filmed me snoring.
Surprise!
How goes?
John was taking a little nap.
Where are you?
She's making me do my portfolio.
I am,
Making them work.
work.
and
hard
I took a
work,
break
strong
by
work.
passing out.
It is hard work. That's why I don't edit my photos.
I am filming a day with Mel.
Oh,
This is what I do when I'm not at the camper. And we're at home.
Really exciting things here.
Oh, and you have coffees.
Office.
No, Tabitha's an old school earth child because she would
Rub
walk
some
up.
dirt in it.
She would say, lick it.
Yep.
Lick it?
She would lick them.
I would lick the wound and it would be fine. Yeah, I know. So
I'm
many,
not ready to be a mother.
so many things that you should not do as a mother, but you know, look at her.
I survived.
We're so proud. Okay, so we made it home from all of our errands for the day. Now we're taking Hun Dog out for her little potty break. She has on her little suit, as you can see, because she had some surgery, but that's okay. So next step is to break out the grill here, and we're going to cook some steak for dinner. Thomas is finishing up his work camping shift today, so we'll have some nice yummy dinner when he's ready. All right, so that's gonna do it for your day with Mel. I want to say thank you for joining me and hope you had a good day. So take care of each other, love each other, and make every moment count.